So the rules of this game is quite simple. Sim and I will have to use.
Did you just say the rules of this game is quite simple?
Yeah.
You're gonna get a wrong bang. Come again.
Sim and I will have to use this contraption to move this. Apparently, we have to pick up some stuff over there and then bring them back to the basket. But then why the basket over there and the stuff?
What's the point I'm making?
So it's not supposed to be in front here.
Roundabout.
Dive it. This is not supposed to be over there in front of us then.
Yeah, move over yourself.
No, I'm saying dive it.
So you go in front of your box.
Dive it, go and fix it.
Yeah.
So come in
it's
front.
in the middle.
Here.
All right.
Right there. So we go get it and we bring it back in the basket. Are you ready?
I'm never ready, but that's never stopped us before. Ready? On the mark, put the cup, drink. Which color is my color? Which color is your color? Gotcha.
The two of them miss. The two of them miss.
Is that strategy? Why they can't stand up?
What did I?
None of mine is. I'm staying in. Yeah. No. Nothing more than a early morning workout.
All right, I'll wait on you. Come. I'm waiting on you. No, man, you two TV about 9 of them there, and I'm waiting.
Busted!
What a wicked day. Yes,
Is
man.
what's in them?
How good.
What's in there?
So after you rub me.
It's only because your reach is longer.
And the winner.
What?
Who must do it over? See mine here?
What? Do it over? No, me can't do it over.
No, my...
Is what in there produced you can eat? Never your shoes. Come here, let me fix your shoes. Come here. You can't go to school with your shoes like that. Come. Your mother will beat you. All right.
But all the matter about going over, I'm tired.
It was a workout actually. Come, fix your shoes. You can't go to school with this to take pride into yourself, right? So.
Isn't this nice though? Thank you, darlings.
Okay. Okay. You
I'm
know,
tired. But you still, you know.
we can make this a project.
What?
Folks, do you like these shoes? Turn your foot proper.
What shoes?
Actually, you know, when we were
to
kids.
sell me shoes?
No, we're making these a fashion statement. The cardboard shoes.
Something to smile about
When
done.
we were kids, we used to put our foot on cardboard like this and then cut it out to send it to foreign.
Yeah.
To get shoes.
The exact size.
See?
By the way, coming up next, we discuss the Green Care Initiative.
Whoa.
We soon come. Wait, you tired?
That was, yeah.
We soon come. Yeah.
The clock says 000.
Long time.